Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I prep my nails. Here are my beautiful natural nails. When I have natural nails, I pick my skin. So because I can get my nail scraping at my skin and my teeth round them, I make a mess. So it's not very good for me to have natural nails. Hence the reason I need to apply some acrylic. So I'm going to show you how I would prep my own natural nails ready for extensions to be applied. So first of all, I'm going to push back with a cuticle pusher. I've got a metal cuticle pusher here. I'm going to ease back the cuticle. So I'm not being too aggressive. However, with myself, I tend to be a little bit more aggressive because I can feel it, I think. I can feel how far I'm going to push back. And I definitely think good practice is to practice on yourself because you get used to what your client can feel. So if you're new to the nail industry, then I definitely think practicing on yourself is the way forward. So I'm going to do this on all 10 nails. Yes, I have 10 fingers to push back cuticles on. So I'm always keeping it angled. I'm not doing flat because you run the risk of kicking into your skin and I don't want to cause any damage. I'm not pressing too hard either. And because I use my hands for lots of things, you know, doing people's nails and stuff, I get quite a lot of dry skin and my cuticles always need some good attention. So for some people that would be enough, but for me, doing my nails, it just isn't enough. So what I'm going to do is use an electric file. Now I have a diamond bit here, it's really soft. And what we're going to do is we're going to skip around the cuticle. And the reason I'm going to do this, I have this on 6. I'm actually going to take it down to 5. The reason for this is to remove any non-living tissue that may be attached to my nail. So I've got a little bit more here. You can see it just pops up white. And you can definitely feel and tell the difference between eating into nail and you can skin. And you're not going to skip over the natural nail length here. You're just going around that cuticle area. And I'm working from 2 o'clock to 10 o'clock. I'm rubbing that around. I'm going really quite close. I'm not leaving the drill bit there too long because I don't want it to eat into my natural nail. All I want it to do is to remove any non-living tissue off my natural nail. I just want to remove cuticle. I don't want to remove epinicium. If you don't know what epinicium is, we will do a video all about that and I will educate you on nail biology. Science with Kirsty.
No, it's chemistry with Kirsty. Oh. Biology will do.
What?
Biology with the bimbo.
Biology with the bimbo. Oh my god. I'm not a bimbo, you know.
I know you know.
I'm not even naturally blonde.
It was the only thing I could think of
not
that began with a B. Except blonde. Why didn't I say biology with blonde?
So you can see that that's all done. I also have some length on some of my nails. So I do need to remove that. So I'm going to do that first. Some of the nails don't have a lot of length. So I'm going to file that away. And I'm filing towards the centre of the nail. And I'm using a 240 grit file. If they're super long, you would just clip that off with some nail clippers. And I'm anchoring the file slightly under the nail. You don't want to cause too much friction. Friction and vibration can separate the natural nail. So all those layers of the natural nail can start to go and separate. So when I do my right hand, using my left hand when I'm prepping, I move my hand and the file. Sometimes I just move my hand instead of the file. So like this. Because I find it easier to move my right hand because I'm right-handed. It's harder for me to move my left hand. I kind of feel like I have no control. So it's a lot easier to move my right hand. Let's dust that off. Next, I'm going to take a buffer.
You joined the band as well.
You didn't know I was a drummer, did you? I'm not. I'm going to remove the surface shine from my beautiful natural nails. So using a 180 buffer just to take off that shine. Not too much pressure is needed. You're just going to skip over. We need to preserve that natural nail because it's got to support the nail extension. If we didn't remove the surface shine, when we apply either the acrylic or hard gel, it's actually going to peel off and you'd get lifting. So it's, you know, it's quite a few factors that you need to take into consideration when doing your prep. You know, there are lots of reasons to do everything. We're removing the surface shine to stop the lifting. We also remove the non-living tissue from the natural nail to make sure there's no lifting. Also gives us a nice clean area, a nice canvas to work on. Just going to dust those off and then check over. Just check that there's no shiny patches. Just going to make that neat. And then I'm going to clean those over with some isopropyl alcohol. Make them squeaky clean. And you want to make sure you're not sort of rubbing down, because you don't want to pull this cuticle back down. You know, this surrounding skin here, you don't want to pull it back down onto the nail. So when you are cleaning up your nail, make sure you're sort of pushing back the cuticle as well. And there you are. I'm all ready to either apply tips, put a sculpting form on, add prep products, and then add the acrylic or hard gel. But I'm going to go for acrylic. There you are, guys. That's how I prep my natural nails ready for extension application. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check me out on Facebook and Instagram and Snapchat. It'll all be linked somewhere by magic in this video. I don't know how they do that, but you know, these clever people do them. His name's Adam. Anyway. I hope to see you in the next videos, and don't forget to subscribe. If you want me to keep creating videos for you, you need to subscribe, you need to like and share everything, else I won't be able to do it. I need you to subscribe to me. Yes, I am begging. Might not be on my knees, but yes, I'm begging. So